Welcome back, everybody. If you're looking for a spot for date night, drinks with the girls, or you're just celebrating the end of the work week, the Eleanor is now open for service every Saturday and Sunday. Owner Justin Lavenue is joining us to tell us more and to demo one of their gorgeous cocktails. He is so talented. Justin, good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing well. It's been a minute since we've seen each other in person.
I'm so happy to be back.
Yeah, happy to see you. So we've covered the Eleanor before, but if you could just remind everybody a little bit about the space.
Absolutely. So the Eleanor is the Roosevelt Room's kindred event space typically. We've been operating solely as an event space since COVID. Also hosting Miracle on 5th Street.
Which is a great party.
Pop-up bar, Christmas pop-up that happens at the last 6 weeks of every month, or every year, excuse me. But we recently started opening on the weekends for cocktail service. So it's a really lively, upbeat cocktail bar that's kind of the younger, fun sister of the Roosevelt Room, which is all seated service and seats like a restaurant, 90 drink cocktail menu at the Roosevelt Room. So at the Eleanor, we just have a much smaller 30 drink cocktail menu.
Oh, it's so much smaller, just 30.
So there's something for everyone. Like I mentioned, the vibe is a lot more upbeat. Mix and mingle, no reservations. You just come, grab a seat. You don't need to plan ahead. You can just stop by and grab a delicious cocktail.
Which is great because it's downtown as well. So you might be on your way to or from dinner. Great place to stop by.
Exactly.
And I heard dance vibes as well.
Dance vibes.
Okay.
So you could grab a cocktail at the Roosevelt Room, have some good cocktails, good times, and then have some even more upbeat, better times next door at the Eleanor. Yeah.
Okay, from the man who has both. All right. Talk to us a little bit about that 30 drink cocktail menu. Of course, you guys, every single time I talk to a bartender from the Eleanor or the Roosevelt Room, they talk about the spirit of service that y'all have. You are very educated in cocktails, what it is people might like, and what's new and fresh. So talk to me about what's on that menu.
Yeah, cocktails is our passion. We love to share our passion with our community. This menu that we were created specifically for the Eleanor, again, 30 drinks. It took us about a year and a half to put together.
Wow.
We really wanted to R&D it a lot so that there was a really unique offering at the Eleanor that people can come and get excited about. And there really, like I mentioned, is something for everyone. All different types of styles of cocktails, using different types of base spirits. So whatever type of drinker you are, you're gonna have something, even if you don't drink. We have 4 non-alcoholic cocktails, 2 low ABV cocktails, so there really is something for everyone.
I'm glad that you've made those inclusions. That's wonderful because that is certainly a growing segment of the population as well. Okay,
yes.
You brought for us today the show business.
Show business.
Of course, what a great name for a cocktail to be on television. Walk us through how you make the show business.
Amazing. So we've got the finished product here, the nice display one.
It's gorgeous.
I'll walk you through how to make it.
Yeah.
So it's the name comes from the fact that it's a bee's knees derivation.
Okay.
Okay, and bee's knees is your classic gin, honey, lemon juice.
Okay.
Nice gin sour. So we're upping that a little bit. We've got a little bit of yogurt powder.
Yogurt powder?
Right.
Didn't even know that was a thing.
Right. You can dehydrate anything these days.
That's a good point.
A little lavender and chamomile bitters.
Okay, and when they come together, they look very interesting.
Yeah, we steep it for a long time.
Yeah.
So
it smells amazing though. Yeah.
And then we have a little bit of lemon juice to balance it out.
Absolutely.
So we do an ounce of lemon juice.
And I'm just going to say this on your behalf because I already know the truth. You guys are doing all of this in-house, aren't you?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep. We have actually a full-time production manager who makes everything of ours in-house.
Cool. What a job.
Yes. Yeah, he's happy up though.
It's like cooking up new creations kind of thing.
Surrounded by spirits. So then we have our batch. We always like to expedite service, make things a little more consistent. So we batch a lot of the other spirits and syrups and stuff. So in here we have Hendrick's Neptunia gin. We have a little bit of raw honey, ginger syrup, and then it's put in this beeswax coated bottle, which sounds strange, but it gives it a really silky texture.
So the inside of that bottle is coated in beeswax.
Correct.
Oh,
and so
my
it ages
goodness.
in the bottle, softens in the bottle, and gives it a really smooth, silky texture when you eat your final product.
When you're looking at the color, you're like, I don't know, that looks like heavy ginger to me. But
Yeah.
I can see it now. That's
Absolutely.
gorgeous. Yeah, cool.
Okay, so we want to get the yogurt mixed in, yogurt powder. So just give it a little dry shake. Okay.
A dry shake, does that mean without ice?
Without ice, yes.
Ah, I knew I was going to learn something from you today.
I mean, I feel like you were intuitive. You already knew what it meant.
I'm picking up as I'm learning from you over the years.
Love it. Oh, sorry about that. So then we have just a couple ice cubes. We don't want to shake this with a ton of ice to over dilute it because we really want that texture to really shine through.
Gotcha.
I'm just going to give this a couple quick shakes.
It's TV magic, y'all.
All right. So the next thing, we want to strain out all those ice chips into our glass, which has it's pre-chilled, frozen, and then has some honey powder with some edible gold dust.
Edible gold dust. Okay, I'm seeing golden honey.
Yep.
I saw this back here. I
We
wasn't
call it our
sure what to
golden honey
think.
powder.
Yes,
So
how
edible
cool.
gold dust, it gives it that sparkle, and then the honey powder, is also dehydrated honey. You can dehydrate honey, right?
You can dehydrate anything. I've just learned from Justin.
Yep. So that's gives it a really cool texture on the mouth too when you get some of that honey powder mixed in there. And
Impresses people when you order it, when it
100%.
arrives.
sorry to reach over you. I'm just
No,
going to
you're
grab
fine.
one little flower because
flower.
it's
Gorgeous.
a show business. So.
Lovely. Okay, while I'm taking a little sip and I'm cheersing to you, you guys
Cheers.
do weekly events as well. I want to make sure that we mention cocktail classes,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Okay, last few seconds here. Give me
Okay,
goods.
so we do a monthly cocktail class at the Roosevelt Room. It's all offered through Eventbrite. You can go to our website, therooseveltroomatx.com. Just click cocktail classes. So that'll take you to our monthly open to the public cocktail class. We also host private cocktail classes, either on-site or off-site. We can go to your house, go to your office, and we can do off-site cocktail
Corporate
classes.
parties, I'm hearing it. I've got gold dust on my lips. I'm very excited. That tasted delicious. Justin,
Awesome.
thank you.
Cheers.
They're open, guys, now Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. Learn more about the cocktail bar in the event space online at theeleanoratx.com. You can also follow along on Instagram for updates.